How to add images to X or Twitter post. Let's get started. First, launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to the home page. Now click on this plus option. Now over here, you're going to find different option. Click on this picture option. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the image that you want to add to your post. You can add multiple pictures. Now click on add. Now tag people, add location. Likewise, give a caption. Once you do that, you can click on post. Just for that, you have added images to your X post. To check that, you can navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now head over to the option profile. And over here, you're gonna find images in your post. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.